Purpose of visit is such an important question in a tourist visa interview, and I want to share with you an example of a client who came to us after a rejection. So, in his first interview, he was asked, "What's the purpose of your visit?" And he said, "I want to go to New York because I want to experience the city's culture and vibe." Then the officer countered him and asked, "What do you mean by culture and vibe?" To which he replied, and this went on and on. But at the end of it, the officer was not convinced and his visa got refused. Now, for his second attempt, he came to us, and when we analyzed his profile, we found a striking similarity between his previous travel. All the previous travel were to big cities, Singapore, Dubai, Hong Kong, and they were all solo travel. So we built his profile and his story around solo travel. And in the second interview, the answer that he gave was, "Purpose of my visit is to do a solo travel trip to New York because I'm fond of solo traveling. And I have done similar travel to other cities like Hong Kong, Dubai, Singapore. So this year, New York has been on my list, and that's what I plan to cover." Can you guess what happened? Yes, he got the visa, and I feel there are two things that worked really well. One, the answer was more natural, more believable, something that, came from him. And second, he established credibility by pointing out to the officer that, "See, I have done similar travel before and I'm going to do the same thing in New York." He established credibility because that's exactly what they want. They want to trust you, they want your profile to be genuine. And by showing that he had traveled to big cities and had come back to India, it gave the officer the confidence that, okay, most likely this person is going to go to New York for a similar solo trip and then come back to India. So if you're planning for a tourist visa interview, pay a lot of attention to the purpose of visit because this can literally make or break your profile. And if you need help, feel free to reach out. Do comment below and we'll get back to you.